So these are the images I'm going to use. This is the strawberry. I'm going to use one of the slices here, and this is for the background. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the background from our strawberry layer. So select the fuzzy select tool. These are the settings I'm using, and now left click on the white color. So now we have selected the white color, and now I'm just going to increase a little bit the selection here. So go to select, grow. I'm going to increase it by 1 pixels. Press OK. This is just to push the selection inside here to remove any white halo around the strawberry, and then press delete on your keyboard. Make sure layer right click, make sure it has an alpha channel, and now just press the delete key on your keyboard. Select the strawberry and press the delete key, and now go to select none. Now I'm going to hide this layer. I'm going to select this layer here. I'm going to use it as the background. Select the scale tool, hold the control key, and then scale it up so it will be scaled from proportionally, and now press enter. And now right click layer to image size for the background layer, and now go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. So I'm going to blur a little bit the background like this. Press OK. And now select the strawberry, left click on it, and now I'm going to duplicate my layer. Click on the icon here to duplicate it. Now I'm going to hide the bottom strawberry layer, this one here. Select the top one, go to colors, saturation, and then reduce the saturation all the way down, the scale here. Press OK to desaturate it, and now go to mode, and then you can either select screen or addition, left click. So here it is. Now go to colors and then levels, and now I'm just going to play with the 3 triangles here, the levels tool here, to get the effect I want. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. And now I'm going to hide the transparent layer. Select this one here where we have the slices. Press the plus on your keyboard to zoom in, and now I'm going to choose from one slice. So select the ellipse tool. Make sure to check the expand from center. Make sure to check the fixed aspect ratio, and now select this layer here, the oatmeal layer, and then here make selection. So once you have made your selection, Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V to paste, and now go to select none to remove selection. And now if I hide this layer, so here it is. So now I'm going to delete this layer here with the oatmeal. Press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out, and now I'm going to reveal both my layers. Let's place the slice here on top. Select the move tool, press plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So I'm going to place it here. I'm going to place it in the middle. Select the scale tool, hold the shift key, so you will be able to scale it from one side. Make sure your channel icon here is linked, and now hold the shift key, and then here just scale it down like this, and now select the right or left handle, and then hold the shift key again, and then just scale it to the right or left. Now I'm going to select this middle here and then place it like this. So press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in to be more precise. So I'm going to leave it here like this, and now press enter. So left click, hold shift key, and now I'm going to scale it more like this here, and press enter. Press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out, and now select the strawberry layer. So select the move tool first, this one here. Now I'm just going to delete the upper part. Select the rectangle select tool, and now I'm just going to make selection, and then delete from here like this. Press enter. Make sure selecting the red strawberry, and then press delete, and then select none, and now select the transparent layer, this one here, and now select the eraser tool, and now I'm going to increase the size. And now I'm just going to erase the bottom part. Make sure selecting transparent layer. And now select the warp tool. So these are the settings I'm using. Press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm just going to fix some of the areas here. So for example, select the transparent layer. And now make sure the warp transform is move pixels. And now I'm going to move slightly pixels. And now press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. Now select the top layer, right click, new from visible.